Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and lovely to see you all again here. As you can see from today's title, I'm going to talk to you all about conditioning, the ways you can condition, find the best way to condition your hair. This video is also in partnership with Curlsmith and I'll be talking to you about the 3 ways you can condition your hair with the multitasking conditioner that they just launched. Also going to feature how I wash my hair wash routine, how I achieve this hair and what I usually do. So a little back information, my hair as you can see is like wavy on the top, but underneath it's quite curly. This isn't its full potential. I have chemically damaged it a lot from using the wrong products. It is doing much better. Like this, my hair like this is very good. I haven't seen it like this in so long. So using the right products is key. For my hair, I only use clean products without those harsh chemicals in, because they're what really damaged my hair. And for my hair type as well, it was just not a good combination. So I'm going to tell you guys how I understood my hair better and what I did to understand it, and how you can understand it too, because understanding is the first step. Otherwise you'll just literally, like what I did, throw things at your hair and you'll sit there and think, why is my hair not working? Everyone talks about this product and they say it's really good. Why is it not working? You know, all that kind of stuff. So the crucial thing I learnt about my hair is porosity. So the porosity of your hair is all about the pores in your hair, the cuticle, all that stuff. And it's basically how well your hair retains and absorbs moisture. A quick test you can do for your hair to check the porosity is just get a strand of hair, make sure your hair is clean, and put it in a glass of water and see whether it floats, goes to the middle, or just sinks. Mine floats to the top, which means that it's low porosity. If it kind of floats in the middle, then it's medium/normal. If it sinks, then it's very high porosity. Ultimately what those 3 mean is, if you have low porosity hair like me, then your cuticles are very close together. And that might be why, if you're like me, you find it really hard to saturate your hair in the shower. Like, it takes a long time for your hair to get wet. Also, it may look dry, but that's actually a misconception. Your hair is actually healthy, but because you may be using the wrong products, then your hair appears dry. It also might take longer for you to air dry your hair. And also a thing that I notice is that product sits on my hair, like it doesn't absorb, and I get a lot of buildup on my scalp, and you may notice that too. So that's just a few characteristics for low porosity hair. Then we go on to medium/normal porosity, where it's like a bit of an in-between, so it's not too tight, not too loose. And you usually find that it's really easy to style your hair. It has good hold. You don't have to do too much to it. It's just easy to handle. And then lastly, you have high porosity. As you can imagine, this means your cuticles are very wide. So water absorbs very quickly. Your hair dries quickly as well. And just everything is much quicker, and you need a lot more moisture than all the other porosities, because your hair just does it so quick. It like sucks up all the moisture. So those are all the porosities. As I said, I am low porosity, so my hair, I really have to tailor the products so that it really absorbs and does what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to talk to you about what products I use and how I use them. Number 1, as I mentioned, my hair doesn't saturate easily. It really takes a long time because of all the build-up on my hair. So the first product I use is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer from Curlsmith, and this ultimately just preps your hair before you go in with the shampoo, because I used to find that I had to like shampoo twice for it to like actually saturate, but with this it just makes it just much quicker. So I like to go in with that to just prep my hair before I really clean it. Number 2, I take a scrub to my scalp and my hair. Here I'm using the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic to wash my scalp and really get into the build up and really get it all out. Otherwise, if it stays in there, then it's just going to prevent any other products from sinking into my hair. With low porosity, you have to really make sure that you wash your scalp properly, and a scrub is the best way. And make sure that you really get into like the hairline where you put all that product. You need to really go at your hair. Number 3, now on to conditioning, the most important part. Now I'm taking the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner. You can use this conditioner 3 different ways. You can use it as a rinse out conditioner, you can use it as a deep conditioner, and you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. It is supercharged with very moisturizing ingredients, so it does just that. It is very moisturizing and makes your hair super soft, as you can see. Not crispy, nothing of the sort, just soft vibe, just absolute. And it smells like berries, sweets. It just smells like holiday, and it smells so good. Now the reason why I am team out and why I like to rinse out this conditioner is because my hair doesn't take long to moisturize. It just needs like a quick boost. So I like to put this on for a minute or two and then rinse it out, and that is all I need literally. Now if you have normal porosity, then you'll need maybe like 15-30 minutes, maybe a deeper condition. And if you do have high porosity hair and your cuticles are very wide, then you need all the moisture. You need to leave this in your hair, really saturate your hair with this. After you've washed your hair, rake it through and just leave it in. But yeah, it's a very flexible product. Don't feel like you have to commit to one. You can be both team in and out. You can rinse it off in the shower, but then apply it again after you shower and put it in as a leave-in as well. Totally up to you, totally up to what you feel comfortable with. I just personally just need a quick boost and my hair is good to go. Number 4, the last step, after my hair is moisturized, after it's prepped, everything is good to go, just the styling. I just take the Shape Up Aqua Gel whilst I'm in the shower, just rake it through and my hair is soaking wet. My hair needs to be soaking wet for my hair to absorb any product, so I like to just apply things in the shower. Otherwise, if there's any slight dryness in my hair, it will just not take. So I like to rake the gel through whilst I'm in the shower, whilst my hair is saturated. The reason why I really like this gel is firstly it's very lightweight. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy. I really don't like when my hair feels crunchy. It is super soft still, and it still gives definition. I don't like having to compromise on products. Same with the conditioner. I don't like having to pick one thing over the other. I need like a good all-in-one type of product. My hair type doesn't do well with a lot of product, otherwise I have a lot of product build-up, and then I just hop out the shower, diffuse it or air dry it, whatever feels best. And yeah, this is what my hair looks after styling. I washed it this morning. The conditioner is the only moisturizer type of product that I used in the whole routine, and my hair feels very soft. I don't feel like I need to put any oils or like any other moisture in there. So that just goes to show, if you get good quality products and you learn how to use products and what products work best, then you can achieve the results you want. It's all about understanding, guys, understanding what works for your hair. So yeah, guys, that was a bit of insight on how I condition my hair, how you can condition your hair. I hope you learned a bit about porosity, how you can maybe understand your hair a bit better, and also how you can potentially use this multitasking conditioner in 3 different ways. Do comment down below whether you'd be team in or out, whether you'd rinse out the conditioner, leave it in. Just talk a bit about hair. Let's just talk about hair today. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!